How does it feel scoring such a high marks?
It was the collective effort of the faculty as well as my study, my self-study.
Can you just tell me about the balance with all the subjects? 92 in accounts, 89 in quants, 80 in business law, and 90 in economics.
It's always better to evaluate yourself little less than what you might get in the exam.
Suggestions or like tips to the students who are going to write the CA Foundation exams. Hello everyone, this is Chetan, your maths faculty. I have here with me Ms. Vidhatri, who has scored 351 marks out of 400 in CA Foundation exam, June 2024. Hello Vidha,
Thank you, sir. Hello.
congratulations on your impressive marks. How does it feel scoring such a high marks?
I think that it was the collective effort of the faculty as well as my study, my self-study, which helped me score well, and focusing on all the subjects collectively rather than stressing on just two subjects. Maintaining consistency, I feel, helped me score better.
Okay. Can you just take us through your journey till here? What were your strategies for the preparation and also your plans?
Yes, sir. So basically, I enrolled myself in Arivu in the month of November, and by the month of April, I think the syllabus was completely over. So one round of revision had been completed by then, and then in the next half of April and in the month of May, I ensured that I revise each chapter once, and I attempt one round of mock exam, which was conducted by ICA during the month of May, and then wherever I made mistakes. I focused more on those chapters particularly, and then it helped me cover one more round so that by the beginning of June, I was done with the entire syllabus and I could attempt more of mock papers during the 20 days.
Okay, so you took all the 3 mock papers of ICA?
Yes.
Okay, okay. Right, what was the time that you used to pick for writing this mock paper?
I used to write it exactly during the exam hours.
For example, maths 2 to 4?
2 to 4 and one. I used to even take 15 minutes of reading time for accounts and law paper. From 1:45, I used to sit till 5 o'clock and write the paper.
Very good, very good. So, can you just tell me about the balance with all the subjects? 92 in accounts, 89 in quants, 80 in business law, and 90 in economics. That's incredible.
Thank you, sir. In accounts, basically, I made a small mistake, which was not to focus more on the theory part. I used to love solving sums, but theory part I kept it towards the end. But I believe that you need to mix theory and sums. Whatever was required for solving, I used to read that part of it, but what was asked frequently for the true or false questions or the 2-marker answers, I never used to read that much, and I believe I lost more in accounts. I actually was expecting around 94, 95, but I believe since I couldn't read the theory much, I got a bit less there. It's important to solve sums keeping the time duration in mind, because if you spend more than 15 minutes on any particular sum, it's really going to make you suffer during the exam time.
Yeah, that's what I was about to ask you actually. People after writing, especially papers like accounts, that too the first paper, they'll be like disappointed saying that paper was very lengthy and very difficult. Is it so?
I think, sir, first paper, obviously everyone will have a bit of tension in their mind that this is my first paper that I'm giving. It's very important to be cool because accounts is a scoring paper which can help you improve your overall total. And I believe that you need to make the right choice of the questions that you're going to attempt, because if you choose wrong and then in between you realize that you're going on the wrong path, you can't really shift back. I think attempting mock papers before will help you decide which kind of questions, which chapter you're thorough.
So mock papers are the mantra you're saying?
Yes.
Okay, good. So like how you are, you used to evaluate papers?
Basically, they used to release this key answers from ICAI. So I used to check each and every step if I've done it right. And it's always better to evaluate yourself little less than what you might get in the exam. So if I've done everything right, I still used to deduct 2 to 3 marks so that in case something goes wrong, you can know in advance that you can get an idea well before that you will be able to cross this particular range of marks.
That's really good. So now you're into CA Inter, right? What are your new strategies? Have you strategized your things? Like, are you going to stick on to the same old things?
It just started, so I think consistency will help you in score better.
Okay.
and doing regular studies is very important. Keeping your mind relaxed is equally important.
Okay. What would you suggest, or maybe I could say suggestions or like tips to the students who are going to write the CA Foundation exams?
What I would suggest is that be relaxed, don't pressurize yourself, because you know something. It's not that you do not know anything that is there in the syllabus. It's very important to be cool and not to get tensed unnecessarily.
Stay focused.
Stay focused, and whatever part you know, revise that more and more, because in the last 1 month you cannot actually force something into your brain. So whatever you know, if you revise at least in that part, there's always a good chance that you score better.
People find it difficult to present law paper. So any suggestion on that?
Yes, basically Sai sir had taught us how to go about with law, like the presentation of the case law based answers. It should be always starting with the provision. If you quote the section or the case law, then there are more chances of you scoring better. And always keep your answers very precise. Don't keep elaborating what is asked in the question. Many students do this, that whatever is asked in the question, they try to repeat the same thing in the answer. So it might irritate whoever is evaluating the paper. So rather than doing that, if you quote more of what is given in the actual law, then it may help people score better.
Anything about quants? Your suggestions to the students?
Quantitative aptitude, solving continuously, solving every day, at least half an hour, attempt 30 questions and see whether you can do it. Logical reasoning is an area where people can score more, and statistics also.
Okay.
Mathematics, of course, we need to focus a lot on mathematics of finance. Yes.
Okay.
That was good.
Good. So economics, anything you want to say?
Actually, I was a first time economics student. I
Oh,
hadn't studied
But you
economics.
scored
before.
90 in that.
Because I used to focus a lot on economics because I was totally new to the subject and I didn't know what to do. Every day I used to read economics. Moreover, it was done towards the end, so it was fresh in my mind.
Good, good. Thanks for sharing your thoughts
Thank
and
you, sir.
experiences. It was indeed a pleasure talking to you. So, any help from us, please keep yourself open to ask doubt. Any help that you want from Arivu Pro, we'll be happy to help you out. And I would like to congratulate and also wish you all the best for your future on behalf of Arivu Pro faculties and also management. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.